What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to today's video. Today I am doing a unboxing for a Too Good To Go, which is the app where if restaurants and supermarkets and shops have got any leftover stuff at the end of the day, they box them all up, bit of a surprise bag, you never know what you're going to get in there, and then they put them online and it's a first come first serve. You have to buy it through the app, go in and show them, and then you've got to just kind of like tap it and swipe it on, and then they say that you've paid for it and you get to take it home, and then you get to see what's in there. You never know what you're going to get, so sometimes you might end up getting something that you might not like, something that you might not be able to eat, something that you maybe might be allergic to. You've got to always be careful as well, but it is worth doing it sometimes. I've had some really good hauls and odd times not as good. So today's video we are going to unbox what I got from Pound Bakery and see if it really was a Too Good To Go or it wasn't. So check this out. So yes, here we are back with another Too Good To Go. If you haven't checked out the app, I do recommend at least having a go with it, see what you get. There's quite a lot of different shops and different places. So that's basically what you get. I don't know if it will see. It's quite good. That is the app, and what you do is you select what you want. You get a different price for every single place that there is. There is a new thing as well, or something recent anyway, with dynamic pricing, which means that it tends to go up or down depending on when you're purchasing and how many is left, and if you do it at the last minute, it's supposed to go down, but I haven't really sort of tried any of them yet. The ones I've done so far have always been the basic price, where you just pay the same, and everybody who buys it, so there might be like 5 bags, they all pay the same price. With the dynamic pricing, it does go up and down. So without further ado, let's have a look and see what we've got. Don't forget as well, if you do like the video, please do give it a like and a subscribe. Also, there is some travel stuff coming up very, very soon. Got a really good trip somewhere. I won't tell you where it is yet. So very excited about that. And also got some more reviews coming up for the Velvetizer, which is the Hotel Chocolat hot chocolate drinking thing. So this is my bag, and try not to rustle it too much. So let's have a look, see what we've got. So now this is one of the things that is kind of frustrating. So I have a pasty here. Thing is though, I don't know what type of pasty it is, so I'd either have to cut into it and have a look, or try it. And obviously if you're allergic to some stuff, it's not always helpful to just go biting and trying your way through stuff. So we have a pasty. Let's have a look, see what that one is. Put that down there. Right, so we have a cheese salad brown roll. So as you can see, that is £1.60. So there we go. Is it focusing? I think so. Yeah, so that's £1.60. Yeah, so for a little bit of context, I paid £3.25 for this Too Good To Go. And I think you're supposed to have, it's about £9 worth of items. Usually, I would say that Pound Bakery are quite good. You usually get more. But we'll see what we've got today. So there you go. This is a sandwich, which is £1.60. A cheese, salad and brown roll. So that's 2. So we've got the pasty and the sandwich. So we're getting up to that pricing. Oh, look at this. Iced ring donuts. Now, they look like the icing is melting a little bit, but yeah, really like those. No pricing on them. But also as well, yeah, 23rd of February. So when I'm filming this, these are still okay to eat. They're still today's date, but of course, they'll be fine for a couple of days, usually are. So there we go. I think they're probably about £1.50-ish, but that's just a guess off my part. Next up, we've got another bag. Let's have a look, see what's in here. And get this out. So this looks like it could be a sausage roll. Looks to have sausage meat in there. So just see if it's going to. There we go. So that is, I think that's the sausage roll. Pretty much guarantee that. We have another bag with a, oh, so this is a pie, bit crumbled. So there we go. Let's have a look at that. That is a pie. Don't know what type of pie it is. Again, need to open it up and have a look first. Just to see. Because you never know, it might be something that you don't like, something you're allergic to. I don't touch baked beans. And we're getting to the end now. These are the last two things. We have a Bavarian slice, 2 Bavarian slices. Really love these things. I think these are £1.60 something. So we've definitely got our money's worth with this Too Good To Go. And finally, and we have a price on this one as well. So bearing in mind, I paid £3.25. Easily got my money's worth. This is a pack of buns. Now, if you can see, so this is a pack of buns. Let's just see if we can get these in focus. So, buns, fairy cakes, look quite nice. Lots of icing on top of them. These retail for £2. So, I mean, that alone, what is it? £2, and we know that the sandwich was £1.60. So, that's easily your money's worth there. So, in all together, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different items for £3.25. That's I would say that's a really good deal. We'll just give you a quick look at what we've got, so you can see them all in a row. Again, I will try and check out what the pies are. I'm always a bit worried when I don't know what they are, because I can be a bit fussy. But easy worth that money. Don't forget as well, if you can like the channel, if you can like and subscribe to the channel, should I say. I've got lots more content coming out. Trying to get more daily vlogs out there, daily food, daily travel stuff. That would much help as well to try and get the algorithm going. Don't know how the algorithm works, but we're just playing around with it at the minute. Thank you again for watching. Thanks to everybody who has subscribed already. Absolutely really appreciate it. And until next time, I'll see you later. But I will try and put it in the outro, literally what we've got, and see if I can get, see if I can find out what the pie is. I think it might be a meat, but we'll have a look. Thanks for watching again, guys, and I will see you later. Bye for now. So yeah, just as I said, just going to have another little look at what we've got here. So there you go, we got the 2 Bavarian slices. We have the cheese salad brown roll. That is a steak bake. I think that's what they call it there. It looks to have steak in it. I have just sort of pulled it open. That is a sausage roll as well. We have the iced ring donuts, which we have 2 of. That is a meat and potato pie. And finally, we have the 4 buns. So there you go. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers for watching.